What's up, Looking Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lexi, because it's about to get real. Thank you. So you guys, about to tell you already know we are going to be doing. Today is my sister's graduation. We are at the nail shop. Yes, guys, I am getting my feet done right now. Well, my feet is just soaking right now. That's Mama over there. Her feet done. But yes, I had got me some water because you know you can't go wrong with water. You can't go wrong with the water, God. Yes, sis did my install, but sissy is, you know, book with the girl. I'll put her info in the description down below or below here. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. This is just gonna be, I guess, my sister's graduation vlog, and we're just gonna be taking you guys with me where we go. Supposed to be going to the mall. I gotta give me something to eat too. But I will get you guys back up in a bit. Okay, y'all, so we just got to the mall. My sister's gonna go to the North Store because she's trying to find some planners for graduation. And yes, I'm not getting nothing. I'm just here with my sister. And yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Probably finna go to the food court. To get something to eat. Okay, I'm gonna call you back. Because I'm hungry. I want some red beans and rice, you know. Look at Josh in the cut, y'all. But and sis too. But yes, I ain't eat all day. I'm thinking I had to today with some water. Just water. So make sure you guys stay tuned. The earring. This mostly earrings. I think she just looking for a necklace or something. Yeah, I think she's looking for. Oh, I like this lightning. What did it go? What my neck look like? I've been washing my neck, so please don't do too much on me. I'm really finna I'm finna buy some stuff on my neck. So yeah, baby, because I've been washing that neck. Look at that neck. That ain't nothing right here, but this one gotta be dark. So don't be doing too much, okay? Let me come from here, all right? Okay. She said they ain't got no necklaces. What you see? Oh, I like that cross one. But yes, she said she could see nothing really, but yes, y'all. So. Y'all, I'm on a mission in Discovery to get some cheap sandals, white colored sandals, and that's it. So let me see what I can find. Or some flats. Or some clear sandals. Look about these, y'all. Think about these. Them 12, 29.
I like them.
Or these.
No, get the fuck.
And these 16. Oh, I like these too. These $14.99. I want to get these. I think we got the glasses. I take glasses. So yeah, I might just.
What up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Fresh cut.
He just want to be like video, like.
Oh, gonna get my hair twisted.
This is the Real Lexi channel.
This is the Big Drippy channel.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
Hey, y'all, what's going on?
He just want to be a part of something.
Shout out to the Real Lexi, you know.
Yeah, no. Shout out to the Big Drippy. But I'm gonna try these on and see how they work. So y'all seen this other hat before. I couldn't get those because they didn't have my size. But I got these, so. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna go with. And after I eat, then I'm gonna get dressed and y'all gonna get dressed with me. Look at my sis. Yes! It's her cat. So we're finna at the graduation. Me and Josh got our shirts on. Sister at the graduate, brother at the graduate. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us.
One, two, three.
So y'all know we at bowling. I will try to borrow the music if I can, but yes, graduation went well. We were supposed to go out to eat, but we just decided to go to bowling. And yeah, I need some glasses because my contacts is hurting. Y'all can't tell, but this stuff hurts so bad. And yes, y'all, my sister did my install, y'all. So stay tuned to my channel. I am not gonna yell over these people, but y'all stay tuned. Yeah. 12. Josh got 28. My brother right there. Then Delala got 17 over there, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna try to win. I'm not that good. I'm gonna try to win.
I'm here. I'm playing.
You think you gonna win? What was that? What was that? He ain't getting no pin. What was that, bro? Somebody don't worry, he on my team. We'll see. Still sucks. Still sucks. Still sucks. Still sucks.